Hey guys, welcome back to another video by NBA Champ 120. Today I have a free software review for you called Auslogics Defrag. So many of you probably know that the Windows Vista disk defragmenter is terrible. It's very slow and it doesn't really do that much. So most of you will probably have third-party disk defrags. I do. This one's from Auslogics. I think it's a very good program for a couple of reasons. Very simple to use. Just click defrag, it'll go ahead and do it. Just if I ever want to just leave it and go to bed, just turn off computer after it's defragmented. And then so if I start doing one, you can see that it gives me an analyzing sort of thing that the Windows Vista one doesn't. It gives me a graph showing how badly defragmented my hard drive is, and it's not that defragmented. It's not that fragmented. Sorry, I mean 265 isn't that bad. I do this quite regularly, but you can see how quick it is. It's going very fast. As you can see, the bars really moving along, and it will be very finished soon because it's so quick and so easy to see. Which ones are where you're defragmenting, where you have fragments and things like that. And so then you can also you have a removable drive in here. You can defragment that as well, and you can see it comes up with a how fragmented is my hard drive, and it's only by 0.1%, which is very useful when you come to the end of it and see how fragmented is it. Do I really need to defragment every day after I uninstall or install a program? And so actions, you can just analyze a selected program, defrag a selected program or file or folder, so you don't want to just defragment everything on your hard drive. You can set defrag priority, program settings, you can schedule a defrag. So it is quite in depth, even though you can see that the interface, if you just want to defrag, is quite simple to use. As you can see, I can schedule one for daily, weekly, monthly or custom at a certain time. Defragment only system disk, or I can defragment other things as well. Create a report after defragmentation. You saw the report that came up last time, so that does happen. The interface, you can see, change the color scheme, disable legend information. That's just when these things pop up. Auto defrag. So if you just leave your system running and you don't touch it after say 10 minutes, as it's set here, haven't clicked it but it's set here, it will just start defragging. Or if disk use, turn on the maximum CPU. This is quite interesting. Turn on the maximum CPU in this after when we paused. So if you're defragmenting and the CPU goes above a certain percentage, it will stop because it's taking too much of your resources, which is a very clever thing to do. Exclusions is just if you don't want to defrag a certain file or folder. Integration, you can put it to the system tray, start on Windows startup, or integrate with your Windows Explorer. So start and then search and that sort of thing. And the advanced, just skip defragments larger than 10 megabytes. I don't really want that because otherwise that defeats the whole object of defragmenting. I want it to defrag everything on my hard drive. So if you want to do that, that's fine. Add all files to the report. So the report which you get after you defragment, all the files go into that report. And removing temporary files before defragmenting. So you basically, it will clean up your hard drive, so sort of doing a disk cleanup before you defragment, so you're not defragmenting things that don't really need to be defragmented, so wasting time basically. So that's basically a wrap on this piece of software. I mean, this is the if you want to check out the Auslogics optimizer for your PC, you can click here and find out, check updates, all sorts of things that come from Auslogics are very good. So I would definitely recommend getting this program if you don't already have a third-party defragmenter. So I would give this a 9 out of 10. If I could be very picky, I'd say I'd like more methods of defragmenting, like boot up defragment and registry defragment, but for the most part I don't really need that, and so I'm very happy with this. But I couldn't give it a perfect score. Obviously that'd have to be something very special to get a perfect score. So if you like these videos, please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.